So hello everyone. Today I am going to hack the hack the box machine of starting point, which is known as appointment. And here you can see it. This is the machine appointment and Linux. And I downloaded HTB VPN. So this is here. If you don't know how to connect the VPN of HTB, just use this command. Enter the password, and when you see the message of initialized sequence completed, you are now connected to the HTV server or VPN of machine. Now let's up this. We don't have any use, so let's go. Hopefully you can see my terminal. So first thing in this is like spawning the machine. We completed it. We already completed it, so now refresh it, and hopefully it will give us the first completed. Starting point spawn machine. When you connect to the starting point, you are going to spawn machine, and hopefully it will give us the IP address. So now firstly make a directory nmap. For the solutions, and this is our IP address. IP address has been copied, and first we have to scan our IP address. If you don't know what is nmap, so firstly we have to run nmap. So this is our nmap, and these are the flags like nmap -v-a scanning, and I probably want to use like there's a flag named as -sv probe, which I just write before this nmap help command. Probe the ports, determine service version information. Okay. -s equivalent to script equal to default. Okay, let's go with nmap. nmap -s-c-sv and our IP address, to which file, nmap directory, and create a file with nmap.txt. So what is the thing we had just to like opening vim solution. First thing is IP address. This is our IP address, and first step is nmap command. Nmap. If you don't know what is vim, a very fast editor, and highly recommend to use the vim. And we use nmap. So first is nmap-sc-sv, and this is something. So we have a cd nmap, or like cat nmap. So these are the services. HTTP title, these are the ports. So if you want to know all ports, you have to just run the command all ports. You have to check it. What is the nmap dash all ports, man nmap grep all ports. So for all ports we have to use the switch or flag. Port scanning. I can't see. Dash S, no, dash S and oh, I can see it. Port ranges dash P. The following dash P dash S FTP dash P dash P is unsure. Top ports, okay, nope, nobody. All ports, I think there's another dash P dash or something, or restriction ports. Okay, so dash P dash like something this. So you can dash P dash for scanning specific ports. Dash all ports. Dash all ports. Okay, is there any option with P packet rest? No. P probes? No. Services? No. Dash P top ports. Dash P port ranges. Dash P dash. Okay. Dash ST TCP port dash SU UDP port. Okay, so like I want to use like dash all ports. and save it in new file like .txt. So here we know. Let's open our browser Firefox. Hopefully you have burp shoot or tools like you configure the DNS or all the things to intercept the request. If you don't know how to download Ubuntu in how to download burp shoot in Ubuntu, so I will tell you in next video. Some proxy connections. Okay, so we can now use the port 80. Hopefully nothing. HTTP server TCP 86800 8600. No, nothing is there. Hopefully I Google. Nope. Oh, sorry. This is the burp shoot extensions, or for using burp shoot manual proxy configurations. So I have to go like first 8080. Maybe unable to connect. Okay. 8600. First thing is Google working or not. Okay. So 8600. Unable to connect, but it says a HTTP title login. Apache. Oh, you can see it here. The version of our Apache. This is for 80 Apache version. Okay. So what can we? First thing I want to check nmap ports 8306. 306. Maybe only this. Yep. Or I want like 80. No connection for this. Okay. Oh yeah, it's 80, not 80. For login terminal. Okay. And I think like 787 for QSC. Hmm. 787. No. 1218. This is also not working. 2638. Still not working. 25734. 25734. Nope. 5002. 5002. No, only this is working. So it's a login site, and I want to my solution edit like what I done. So I just ran this script and found that what I found like this. I found this thing. Okay, and then I ran the script and map dash all ports to the IP. You can see it, how faster can I delete all lines with the help of the nmap 10.129.119.143 dash all ports, and I get all these things. Okay, and for remark only port 80 is working for login panel. Highlight things and Apache HTTPD 2.4.38. I think I don't need this, all of that stuff like from here. I just conclude all the scripts after running the scripts. Like nmap 10.129.119.143 dash all ports. Okay, and what I get? I get these things on login panel. Or just name it interesting. Now edit this file with the Apache 2.48 font. So what is our next step? Just look at its source code. First thing I always want to do is just look at his script coding. Okay, so if I give admin, is there something? Admin, no failure, nothing, just logged out, no username. So what I want to do, I want to do my proxy setup firstly. Options, add burp. Hopefully my burp is working right now. With this proxy, this is an extension proxy proxy. And hopefully my settings are all good to intercept the request. Okay, now check intercept is on, and the first thing I want to do, google.com. Nope, proxy setting is not working. So what is the edit this thing? Nope. I can configure this in my next video. What is the problem? But I think I have my browser setting, Firefox setting of window, proxy. Edit. Okay, this is something like very little difference is there. Like I don't have to use the localhost. So save it, buddy. I forgot it to save. Now google.com. Yep, the request is just here. Hopefully let's check my display setting to increase the font. Dark. Great. Change font to 80. You can view it more clean. I change the setting to light. This is much great. Now off, and Google is without stuck in. If your request is going to be stuck with the burp shoot, your proxy is working. So first thing I want to do is like so our username may be like admin and admin. Don't say it. Now intercept is on and request is going to stuck. So this is our background service. I'm going to just send it to the repeater, Ctrl+R, and you can see it repeater. By the name it suggests it's working. I want this type. If you just intercept the request off. So what is this thing? It's in something like that. Nothing. The same login. Okay, let's go to this thing. If you don't know, whenever I just saw like this type of pattern of it, if you don't know the pattern, this is I think the pattern of not the JSON. It's the pattern of URL codecs form. Well, and the first thing in SQL is like this. Hopefully you can see it. A single quote with double dash, and in SQL this means is a comment. Like admin single quote double dash is a username, but after this the password is going to be the comment. Hopefully we don't get login. Yeah, we get login again. 9 matches to the login, and the form, I think again we get the form. Yep, we get the form again. And title like username. Okay, so we didn't crack this. Maybe the username is different. Straight forward password, nope, not solved yet. Options header, how many options we have? No options. We want to use like post method, obviously post method, but where is our browser? There is the browser, and we found the service, like we found Apache 2.4.38. so founding Apache 2.4.38 exploit. And if you don't see the extension with, it's a doc, hacker1.com first Apache root privileges. Okay, but Kavan, you know the bug bounty. Hmm, maybe net is slow. This is a report internet bug bounty. Okay, 2.4.1 from version 2.2.38 April 1st to 2019. It's in Apache to control graceful lower duty run this command. Mod event, mod the vulnerability effects, mod prefork, mod walker, mod event. The following description could walk through the exploit target, mod prefork. Bug description: in npm prefork, the main server processes running as root manages a pool of single-threaded low-priority www-data worker process meant to handle HTB requests. In order to get feedback from its worker, Apache maintains a shared memory area SHM code one handled. Okay, each worker is meant to maintain process score structure. Okay. Wait from the ID. Maybe another thing. Exploit DB Rapid 7. CVE 2.43. Pre-location client certificate configuration access control restrictions. Okay. In Apache Studio 2.8 2.47, a bug in mod SSL. What is mod SSL? Like this. When using pre-location client certificate verification. Okay, this was Rapid 7. And pre-fork code. Let's mod SSL. What is Apache mod? Apache server. It provides strong cryptography for the Apache. Version 2 web server via the secure socket layer. Where is mod SSL show? foundation shell. Okay, like pre-location things. So another thing what we can use, I think if we can use like JSON files here for username. I don't crack this. No JSON file syntax. I gave it the wrong syntax. Probably I knew it, but is a hacker. Is a hacker. I literally use everything what I know. Maybe something. Not solved yet. And I want to brute force it. So maybe fire something. It's repeater, and I want to send it to intruder for brute forcing. Hopefully. This is our checklist by designer, or I'm sorry, don't I think discovery username web content. There is username common and touch Italian Apache template fuzz services username. Where is usernames? पैराना नहीं है. Structures, usernames, honeypot captures. This is okay. Start attack. There are 2000 users. Is there anything in which we don't found this type of like forgot? Zero matches. Forgot. But why is this zero matches? Because we are not in the So hopefully we didn't find the flag right now, but I will be back on this side. Firstly we have to go through the I want to show you the module. So these three modules, and I don't have SQL injection fundamentals module reading right now, so I want to read it and we read it together so we can do much more things. Hopefully you can learn something like SQL, about the comment of SQL, and I want to quit the video here and we learn SQL fundamentals in next video together. Hopefully you like the video and hopefully you get something new knowledge and my techniques also. And here is our film solutions and the files is edited. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Let's something hackers background. Friends. Ghost. And like the hackers background 0 and 1, you can see it here like this. Where is C matrix? Download buddy, C matrix. Ooh, but it's not in green. C matrix dash B dash C. No, Japanese color, green. Color I don't want to specify the color. It's default is green and I don't know the color names, like something green. Oh, red. Oh, that's great. Like rainbow. Yellow. Valid colors are green, red, blue, white. Yellow. Cyan. Oh, that's another great color. Black. Magenta. And yellow. Cyan. White. Blue. Oh, that's good. That's good. Hopefully you like the video. Subscribe the channel and leave the comment if you have any question. So I'm going to end of the video. Thank you everyone. Thank you for seeing this video, and go to my blog post Walk with Hackers. Just search and ghost_man 01 on Twitter.